So you're about to post on Facebook, but you want to bold a part of that text. Thing is, Facebook doesn't allow it natively. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you could add bolded text into your Facebook posts. Make sure that you stick around until the very end of the video because I have a very special tip that will help increase your engagement on Facebook. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. So you go onto Facebook and you see somebody that has bolded text on their post, but you go to do it yourself, you highlight the text, you're ready to post, you tell it to go bold, you hit post, and nothing happens. It's just normal text. Well, I'm about to show you a really quick, really simple solution on how you could add bolded text to any post. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. This is my Facebook account, and here's one of my posts. I have bold, bold, bold. All this is bolded, but even though Facebook doesn't natively allow you to do this. So I'm gonna go to a website called YayText. YayText, you could take any kind of text and just post it right here, and it will give you all the different fonts. It's not just bold. That's the thing that I really like about YayText. As you can see, they have shortcuts to the different styles, how-tos. You could even, one thing I like is strike-throughs, and you just find the font or find the bold or italic, whatever it is that you need to get your message across in your post. As I was saying earlier, you can't just highlight the text and just try and tell it to be bold, because when you post it, it's just gonna come out normal. Even if you copy already bolded text, maybe it's from a word processor, it will still just turn it into standard text that will show up on Facebook. So we go to YayText, we take the same text, and it will allow us to copy and paste any of these fonts. Some of them are a little bit more abstract and I wouldn't necessarily recommend them for Facebook. You want something that's very easy to read, and that's part of the reason why it's so great to have bolded text on Facebook, because when we bold the text, we want somebody's attention to be drawn to whatever we are trying to get across in that bolded text. In your own time, go through some of these fonts, just check them out. I usually utilize the bold more than anything else, but it's great to always have these different types of special characters and features at our disposal. One thing to note is that if you are like me, you may like to write a bunch of different Facebook posts all at once so you don't have to write a new one every single day. One thing that's really nice about YayText, if you copy, say, the bolded text out of YayText, you could put it in a word processor like a text editor or a notes app, then leave it in there, and then when you're ready to copy and paste, it will still come out bolded in Facebook when you copy it again. It's not gonna completely change. It doesn't have to come directly from yaytext.com. It just has to have originally come from YayText or a similar site. Now, for me, the purpose of bolding a text is to draw attention to that text. And another great way to do that is to add emojis. Emojis, you could target exactly what it is. Put check marks, arrows pointing at what you want people to have their attention drawn to. There's a couple different sites that you can go to add these emojis in, but my favorite one is just emojipedia.com. So you just find whatever ones and just add them into your text, get your bolded text from YayText, create your post, and add in your emojis. Just be creative with it and they have smiley faces, icons, check marks. This is an example of a post I did the other day. It has emojis, it has this bolded text right here, and I wanted to throw this in because I think it's very relevant. If you look at this particular post that I have prepared, there's a lot of spaces. But another thing that Facebook won't do is it won't natively let you have spacing in between your text. So what I do is I just take all the text. You could take bolded, emojis, and regular text, and I go to a white space creator. This is one that I like. There's also a lot of great tools on this particular website, so I would really encourage you just to explore and see what other things that it might actually be able to help you with. So all what I do is I just paste the text in here, as you can see, and then I hit convert and copy. And all what I have to do at that point is just go to Facebook, and I would post it. And when I hit post, it will show up with all the emojis, with all the bolds, as well as all the spacing. A lot of people use Facebook for a lot of different things. Maybe it's organic Facebook marketing. Maybe it's just personal. Whatever it is, this could make your post look way better. Are you to use these sites to get more engagement from your Facebook posts? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.